Today, I'm going to show you how to create a menu in WordPress Elementor step by step so you can build a clean navigation menu for your website without confusion. Whether you're making a header menu for your homepage, a full site menu, or just updating your existing navigation, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process from WordPress to Elementor. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is create the menu inside WordPress itself. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then click Menus. This is where WordPress lets you build the navigation structure that Elementor will later display on your site. Once you're inside the Menus area, click Create a new menu. Now give your menu a clear name, like Main Menu, Header Menu, or whatever makes the most sense for your website. After that, click Create Menu to save the new menu structure. Now that your menu has been created, the next step is to add the items you want people to see and click on. On the left side, you'll usually see options like pages, posts, categories, and custom links. If you want to add a page, simply check the box next to the page you want, then click Add to Menu. If you want to add a category, you can do the same thing. And if you want to send visitors to a specific URL, use custom links. Just enter the link, give it a label, and add it to the menu. This is how you build the exact navigation you want for your site. Once you've added everything you need, take a moment to organize the order of the menu items. You can drag and drop them into the exact sequence you want. For example, you might want Home first, then About, then Services, then Blog, and finally Contact. If needed, you can also create drop-down items by indenting menu entries underneath a main menu item. This is a great way to keep your navigation clean and easy to use. When everything looks right, click Save Menu so WordPress stores your changes. Now that your menu exists in WordPress, it's time to bring it into Elementor. Open the header template or the page where you want the menu to appear. If you're building a full website header, this is usually done inside your Elementor header template. Once the editor loads, search for the WordPress menu widget, or in some setups, the Nav Menu widget. Elementor may name it slightly differently depending on your theme or version, but the goal is the same. You want the widget that displays your WordPress menu. After you find it, drag the widget into the container or section where you want the menu to appear. As soon as you drop it in, you'll see the widget settings appear in the left panel. Go to the Content tab and look for the menu dropdown. From that dropdown, select the menu you just created in WordPress, such as Main Menu. The moment you choose it, Elementor should automatically load your menu items into the design area. From here, you can continue customizing the look if you want. You can adjust alignment, spacing, typography, colors, and hover effects so the menu matches your website design. You can also make sure it looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile. A well-designed menu helps visitors move around your site easily, so it's worth taking a few extra minutes to make it look polished. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of Elementor and click Update or Publish. This is the final step that saves your menu and makes it live on your website. If you skip this part, your changes won't appear publicly, so always remember to save before you exit, and that's it. You've now created a menu in WordPress, connected it to Elementor, and published it on your website. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can build and edit navigation menus much more confidently. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Elementor how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.